Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I make a logo for something very playful for kids basically. Now let's start. Start with the font. Font name is Pantera Regular. You can download it from Chrome. Now let's get started. Fall, write down your name. I write down my logo name graph one and then right click, create outline, and then right click and create outline. Now choose this and choose colors, and I give colors in the description so you can use it. Use the eyedropper tool. Again, right click and ungroup. You undo the mistakes with Control Z key. Quickly choose the color. Basically, it's a very playful logos, and the client wanted very bright, full colors. So basically, I choose the most appropriate colors for my logo. Page is 10 by 10 custom, and it's very simple and also very playful. Now select it with selection tool and Control G for group. Now this is our all the use the rectangle ellipse tool, and now simply take this alter, copy it with alter key, and now read size down it and with this color. It's a very simple logo, and I wish you like it. Okay, now again choose the color and this again this. A perfect color, I think. And now again it. Now you can select with shift, select all and control G for group. Now distance, and now copy it with other if you like to choose, otherwise you can always change that position. Now jaldi I want to add some bright colors to my logo. Basically I want client to be impressed by my logo and select it. Stay tuned for my videos. Kindly subscribe to my channel so you can never miss any updates related to my videos. Follow me on Behance and LinkedIn also, because there are more stuff you to be look at. Very interesting and very playful projects I made. So I think you're gonna like it. So kindly choose that. Choose according to your color or whatever you use. Whatever, I don't think. Now it's time for some this. Now this all the picture I use, it's basically a copy paste. I go to freepik.com and downloaded these pictures. So better be used to download if you want. So and give a link. so you can get easily as you want it. Now choose it according to your color, okay? And now done. Now I think I'm gonna take this edge 3 by 12 and now this and taking this. Let's take quickly use that. Now copy it with Control G or group it with Control G. And now I will take this picture with Alter and mouse. And this is our logo. Control G for it. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share my video.